Keith, I came out here because it was beautiful. Now it's a blizzard. It's a damn blizzard out here. Let's go see how everybody's dealing with it. Are you guys coming out? Come on out, Karen. Come on. She's making good choices today. Okay, but now I have to come in and get to that door. Oh my God, pull yourself together already. Okay, you're okay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine, but you just flung a bunch of... Why can't she be more like you, Angel? Now I have shit all over my face from her. Like actual shit. And now she's gonna stand in front of the door like some kind of troll. That's fine. We got all the time in the world, don't we, Stanley? Can I get by, Karen? Do you mind? I just need to sneak out there. Brad, I see you're not going anywhere. Probably get lost out there. Come on, guys. Come on. It's too cold. Pencil, look at your poor feet. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. All right, ducks, you go in. Duck, what are you doing, bud? Robert Fish. Oh. Michael. Michael. Were you out in the snow a little bit? Are you okay? Craig? What are you doing, old boy? Hi, Doug. Are you a bit of a bad girl? Hey? This right here, that's what you call a snow angel. This little bugger right here, you couldn't come within 10 feet of him and he'd take off when we first got him. And now, But here's the thing about mini horses and ponies. The closer they are to the ground, the closer to hell. Got one. Everybody's upset about the weather. Not Doc, though. Just living his best life. Michael, how are you doing, buddy? Michael? Hey. Michael. What are you guys up to? Doug hates any kind of moisture. So anything to do with rain, snow, maybe even a fountain, anywhere he's gonna get wet. He's not all about it. Get going, you guys. Enjoy your life a little bit. Get going, you stubby little pony.